Becoming a producer is the toughest job because getting creative people together is one hell of a job.
What if you were given 3 wishes? What would you wish for?
My soulmate. I don't think I've found the one yet. Hera Fairy, I wouldn't mind Akshay Kumar's role.
हाँ, that's nice. मेरे को तो परेश रावल भी चलेगा. Okay.
I'm inspired by you. Hi, this is Mishal Raheja and you're watching me on FIFA Foods TV with Shaista.
Hi, सबसे पहले तो आपका FIFA Foods TV पे बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है. How are you, Mishal?
I'm very well, thank you very much.
तो कितनी खुशी हो रही है फिलहाल आपको?
Yes,
सारा गूगल.
yes, actually, I'm very thrilled. कल रात ही हमने 1 million touch किया, तो I'm extremely thrilled. This is my first time ever, and such a small success also is making me feel like I'm on cloud 9.
No success is small, I believe. मतलब अगर आप कुछ भी आप दिल से करते हो और अगर वो millions छूता है,
Yeah,
तो
sure.
जाहिर है
No,
कि कहीं ना कहीं वो successful है.
of course, your first baby project has all your heart and all your will and all your might in it, but you also want commercials. You know, you become a producer in this industry to make money.
Yeah, true.
So you also have to look at commercials. So of course, any success is good. If you can see the smile on my face, it's it speaks much more volumes. Yeah. So, but I'm still hoping it'll grow more. It'll grow way more. This is just, I think, the first chapter now of the singing industry's ladder.
So how was the experience?
It was great. It was a fantastic learning. It's very different from being an artist, from what I've been doing for the past 10 years, 12 years. Becoming a producer is the toughest job because getting creative people together is one hell of a job. Managing everyone's ideas, egos, choices, putting a team together. Then, you know, when you put a team together as a producer and someone falls out and some changes happen, the whole thing goes haywire. Then you have to start from scratch and start working on it all over again. So it was a fun process. It was very different, very great learning. I think जो ये छोटे लेवल पे मैंने ये म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाया है, इसने मुझे इतना सिखाया कि I think I'll be much better for bigger ones.
That's good. मैंने ये भी सुना कि आपकी वेब सीरीज आ रही है, OTT पे भी आपकी 2 वेब सीरीज आ रहे हैं शायद. What would you want to say about that?
I wish I was allowed to mention or speak about it, but we were not yet given the green light for that. But I would say it's on one of the biggest platforms of India, digital platforms of India. And it's directed by one of the better directors of Bollywood in today's times. So I'm very happy that we're about to release probably in a month or something.
Okay. So you've done so many things. You have done a TV, you have done a music video. Now you're going, into OTTs and everything. सबसे ज्यादा difficult क्या लगा? सबसे ज्यादा मजा किस चीज को करने में आया?
सबसे ज्यादा मजा I would say सारा गूगल म्यूजिक वीडियो करने में आया, because the joy of being responsible for the whole production and the joy of being an artist in the same and getting appreciated for your work is a different level of joy. It's different. ये रातों की नींद उड़ा देती है, ऐसा joy है. तो अभी भी सेटल नहीं हो रहा है. जब मेरे ख्याल से पूरी तरह से सेटल होगा is when I'll meet the team and we'll all celebrate. तब शायद जाके सेटल हो. अब तो घर पे भी सब चिल्ला रहे 1 million, but it's just not registering so much right now. So I hope it does when it hits 10 million or something like that. So it was great fun.
Yeah. Okay. And सजा अगर बोलूं तो just asking.
Again, being the producer and actor together is the saza only, because आप creatively focus करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो on the day of shoot, और कोई आके आपको एक problem बताता है जो production level पे हुई है, and then you just start going hazy because you're all into the zone of dancing and enacting the words and lyrics and all of that.
Yeah.
So I think that will also be the saza. The most difficult part, I wouldn't call it saza. It's actually it's maza only. That tough part also, that troubleshooting part also in the middle of the shoot is actually fun. But it's tough. It's a tough job.
Okay.
Web series was also difficult because I'll tell you one thing. It's a good question you asked. There are quite a few ways to answer this. Television में क्या होता है आप देखते होंगे एक shot जो है वो बहुत लंबा खींच के जाता है और music zone चलते रहता है उसको ठस 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 repeat करेंगे 3-4 बार उसको लंबा खींचेंगे. In web series we were shooting 4 to 5 minute scenes in one go. The director would get handheld cameramen to move around the entire set, and we would have 4.5-5 minute scenes with action sequences, with dialogues, with people changing, coming and going out of screen. Oh my God, it's difficult. It's fantastic. We would have like 8, 10 rehearsals and then go for the shot. So it was an entire new level of filmmaking that I experienced.
Okay. So overall, it's always fun. While you're in front of the camera, you're behind the camera, you are in the camera. It's always fun.
Oh yeah, being in front of the camera is more fun, I would say, for me in my life.
Okay. Now quickly, I have 2 segments for you, quick and small. And I really want you to be honest with the questions that I ask you. And let me see how honestly you answer all those questions. So
how would you know if I'm not honest?
Oh, yeah, I'll see. I'll look. Doesn't matter. We know. I'll know whether you're lying. I'll try to take out the truth from you.
Okay, so it's not going to be quick. That means.
No, we'll try to make it quick. I don't have much questions though. Okay, so it's the first segment is what if. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, what if you could say a sentence which the whole world could hear? What would you say?
Be kind. Be kind to one another.
Okay, what if you were given 3 wishes? What would you wish for?
First of all, COVID disappears.
Okay.
Secondly, corruption goes down. And third of all, we have good-hearted politicians to lead our country.
Okay, what about your song? It's 1 million. Won't you want it to be like in billions?
Yeah, of course. I want it to be 100 million.
That is one wish you could.
Million.
Yeah,
why not? 1
that
billion,
is one
2
wish.
billion, 3 billion. But see, you asked me on top of my mind, truthfully, whatever was there, I told you.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, what if you could move anywhere? Where would you like to live?
New York. I've lived there before. Or London. I like London because I have a lot of friends there. But I've lived in New York for like 5 years, so I'd like to live in New York. Okay. If not Bombay. Bombay is my top priority.
Over New York?
Yeah. Go live there, you'll know.
Okay. What if you had to pick
value, culture, and tradition of our country is only prevalent in our country. I mean, when you talk about India, people are like, wow, oh. Even in America. Okay. So the value that we have for our Indian culture and tradition is nowhere found in the world.
Okay, that is true. What if you had to pick one person to be with forever? Who would that person be?
My soulmate. I don't think I've found the one yet.
Okay. Not yet? Oh my God.
No, I don't think so.
Make it quick.
She'd be with me, if I would have found her yet. They're not there, so they're not the ones.
Okay. What if you could eat one food for the rest of your life? What would you choose and why?
Prawn curry and no rice. I choose Maggi.
Okay.
Because I can't live without prawn curry. I think that's one of my favorite dishes. That's one of the few dishes I cook also. And Maggi is easy to make. I don't know how to make rice.
Okay. What if you had to change your name? What would your new name be, and why would you choose that name?
If I were to change my name, I love my name. I wouldn't change my name.
No,
I'd cut it short to Mish. But I wouldn't change my name.
Okay. Chalo,
why don't you say what would be a good name?
I have no clue. I'm bad with names. If I tell you my name, you'll be like, what? I didn't get you, because every time someone.
I think it shows on the logo.
No, that's my channel's name. FIFA Fools.
Okay, because when you said you won't believe it, then I thought that it's probably this.
No. It's not believe. I didn't say you won't believe, but people are, they don't They
So
don't
what is your name?
pronounce it well. Okay, it's Shaista.
Shaisa. It's a
Shaista.
pretty name.
Shaista.
Shaisa. Shaista.
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 Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
One of my
Okay.
friends who used to... Okay, go on.
Okay. What if you could be in a movie of your choice? What movie would you choose and what character would you play?
Dil Chahta Hai, either Amir Khan or Saif Ali Khan. I wouldn't even mind Andaz Apna Apna, either one of the
Acha.
roles.
Okay.
Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani, which Ranveer did, was fantastic. Basically, that Rajkumar Santoshi, his filmmaking, I'm fond of his filmmaking. Fantastic.
Okay.
Hera Pheri, I wouldn't
What?
mind Akshay Kumar's role.
हाँ, that's nice. मेरे को तो परेश रावल भी चलेगा. Okay. 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 What if you find a suitcase full of 10 crore? What would you do?
I'd keep 5. I think I'd spend 2. I'd distribute 3.
You'll keep 5 and
I'll
then you'll
spend
do
2.
what? Huh?
I'll spend 2 and I'll distribute 3.
Okay. And what will you do to the rest of the 5? You'll just keep it.
Yeah, fixed deposit keeps growing every year.
Okay. Okay. What if you meet the following filmy characters? आप उनसे क्या पूछेंगे? Okay. पहला character चुलबुल पांडे.
लागी तुझसे लगन में प्रमोशन के लिए आए थे, मुझे क्यों नहीं रखा उस दिन सीन में?
Okay. Mogambo.
Man, I wish I could work with you.
Okay. Devdas का शाहरुख. शाहरुख का
Take it a little
Devdas,
easier
whatever.
in life. Don't be so heavy on yourself.
Okay. And why do you think he's heavy?
Because he's too sad. Grieving period is good. I think grieving period is a natural process. Catharsis is a natural process in a human being, which helps people to get over faster, better, heal. So that's fine. But going into a Devdas zone is, I think, personally, I think it's a little too much. Though I enjoyed the film.
Yeah. Gabbar, Sholay.
Gabbar and Sholay, man, I wish I had your role.
Okay. Vijay Dinanath Chauhan.
I'm inspired by you.
Okay, well answered. And you were quick. Let me tell you, many people, they're not quick, not this quick. Okay, crazy, stupid, and funny questions that I have for you.
Oh,
आज
you're the
तक का सबसे बड़ा झूठ जो आपने बोला है और पकड़े नहीं गए.
आज तक का सबसे बड़ा झूठ जो मैंने बोला और पकड़े नहीं गए. यार अभी now you put me to think, no? There's not one, there are many. Yeah. How do I term
Okay.
one of the biggest? The last time I told my see when the pandemic was new, ना हमें सब किसी को भी पता नहीं था कि इतना सीरियस है, इतना ग्रेव होने वाला है सिचुएशन. तो जब शुरू हुआ था ना, फर्स्ट हफ्ते में मैं झूठ बोल के पेरेंट्स को बाहर जाता था फ्रेंड्स से मिलने. Probably that.
That is not that big a lie. Okay.
That's probably the biggest in my life. Hello. उसके बाद झूठ बोलने का मौका कहाँ मिला? सब तो घर पे बैठे.
Okay. The meanest thing someone said to you. Meanest thing that people have told you.
When I was in Lagi Tujhse Lagan, when I had just entered the industry and I had got my first big break, which is Lagi Tujhse Lagan, some lady came and asked me in some event, "आप शादी क्यों नहीं करते हो? आप शादी कब करोगे?" I was a little child, yeah, and she told me like, "अभी तो आपकी उम्र हो गई and all." I was like, "Okay, ma'am, आप कहते हो तो मैं try करूँगा." And I walked away from
Imagine, अगर वो lady अब आके आपसे पूछेंगी तो?
I tell her now or soon. I tell her now is the correct question. So now soon.
Okay. The childish thing that you do, you still do.
The childish thing that I still do, everything. I think I have a child in me in everything that I do, except for when I'm in front of a camera and when I have to express non-childish stuff, serious and mature stuff. Also, I think it's good to be childlike, not childish, but childlike. You know, बच्चों जैसी हरकतें ठीक है. बचपना इतनी हद तक ठीक नहीं है अब.
Okay. The funniest name that people have used for you.
Funniest name. I don't think people have used many names, but I kind of start laughing or giggle with affection when my mom calls me Mishu.
Okay.
I
The
giggle with
weirdest
affection
thing
when she
that,
calls me Mishu.
okay. The weirdest thing you have ever seen at a party.
The weirdest thing that I have ever seen at a party.
Yeah.
Weirdest thing that I've ever seen at a party.
So you've
College days,
stayed
yeah.
at in New York.
Friends
Okay.
kissing and hooking up, and then next day denying it. Like kissing after
Okay.
like 2-3 drinks in front of 100-200 people in college parties, and then next day denying it. That's probably the weirdest I've seen
Okay.
at parties.
What is the creepiest thing you can say to a stranger?
Creepiest thing I can
Yeah.
creepiest thing I can say to a stranger. Well, that would really
Any
depend upon what sort
random
of
person.
stranger it is.
No, matlab you had this, there are times when people want to say anything, anything that comes to their mouth. And if you could just
नहीं
say
यार
it
मैं ऐसे
to a
सोचता
strange
I don't know
person.
मुझे शायद मेरी सोच ऐसी नहीं है मैं किसी को कुछ कोई भी किसी को कुछ क्रीपी क्यों बोलेगा यार मी किसी की दिल दुखाने वाली हरकत मैं नहीं करूंगा.
Okay. Okay. What's the one quality you don't want anyone to know that you have? One quality that you have, but you don't want others to know about it.
But I'm very, very simple.
Okay.
That I'm very, very simple.
Okay.
I'm way more simple than they expect or they imagine me to be.
Okay. Okay. So, Michelle, how was the session? Both the segments. Did you
Fantastic.
enjoy?
ये थोड़े
Okay.
ये थोड़े सोचने वाले questions थे लेकिन इसके पहले वाला round I enjoyed more.
Okay. Okay. जाते जाते fans के लिए क्या message देना चाहेंगे?
Yes. So this is my first production by myself, my home production. My production name is Mango Lake Pictures. The YouTube page is also going by the same name, Mango Lake Pictures. You can also search for Mishal Raheja Sara Google, which is my first song I have sung myself. So please listen, like, and if you really like, please share also. It would be of great help. Thank you.